Growing up, lagi kong nababasa sa mga textbook ang tanyag na chocolate hills ng Bohol. Bata pa lang ako, alam kong gusto ko ring makita ito ng personal. Ilang beses akong nagtangka pero never itong natuloy. Fast forward to 2026, and it finally happened. Proof that timing is everything, and that sometimes life quietly aligns everything just when it should. Kasama ang 4 sa mga kaibigan ko na first time ring makilala at makasama ang isa't isa. Our goal on this trip was to explore the entire Bohol for 6 days in less than 10,000 pesos. Naku, nakilala pa naman ang Bohol na isa sa pinakamahal na pasyalan sa Pinas.
Viral po sa social media ang post ng netizen tungkol sa kinain nilang umabot sa higit 20,000 ang bill.
Sunod yan ang pagputakte ng batikos online sa napakamahal umanong pagkain na binibenta ng mga kainan doon.
At sa umiigting na gyera sa ibang bansa na nagdulot ng pagtaas ng presyo ng gas.
Well, global oil prices are surging after the escalating war involving Iran threatened one of the world's most critical energy routes.
Umiiral na ang state of national emergency, energy emergency sa buong bansa, bunsod ng patuloy na gyera sa Middle East.
Uuwi kaya kami ng matagumpay o mamumulubi kami sa daan? Nagsimula ang expedition na to sa Cebu Pier 3 kung saan ang mga main characters na sina Charm, Gina at ako ay nanggaling. Di nagtagal, kami nagboard na sa Starcraft para sa halos 2 oras na biyahe patungong Tubigon, Bohol. Halos di namin namalayan ng oras na lumipas at narating din namin ang probinsya. Mula rito, tinandaan ko ang mga instructions na binigay ni Leia, ang kasama ko sa trabaho na taga Bilar, Bohol.
Para makaadto mo sa mua, from port of Tubigon, sakay mo og tricycle. 30 pesos ang plite to Tubigon Terminal. So from Tubigon Terminal, magsakay mo og van, plite is 120. Van from Tubigon Terminal to Carmen. So from Carmen, sakay kayo ng bus. Ang bus kay dapat mo labay siyag Bilar. You have to ask the driver if mo labay ba siyag Bilar kay not all buses man mo labay sa Bilar. So the fare there is like 30 pesos. Adto mo manaog sa Bilar public market. So, pag-abot niyo sa public market, magsakay kayo og tricycle. Ang plite kay 70 pesos. Ing na nga adto mo sa likod sa Bilar National High School and then amo ng balay. Go, go, go!
Upang makatipid, dito kami nanuluyan sa bahay ni Leia ng isang gabi kung saan sinalubong kami ng napaka-cute at kulit niyang anak na si Zach.
James! Anak Kuya James!
Dito na rin kami naghapunan at nagpahinga. Kinabukasan, it was our first full day sa Bohol and we woke up very early. And what better way to begin our Bohol adventure than standing before its most iconic wonder, the Chocolate Hills. Solid din ang dedication naming makatipid. Talagang nilakad namin paakyat ang viewing deck. Kung hindi nyo napapansin, or kung hindi pa obvious sa inyo, andito kami ngayon sa sikat na
The famous
Chocolate Hills. Yes. We just arrived yesterday from Cebu, going here sa Bohol. It's my first time and it's your
I can't remember.
many times na. No?
Yes.
Actually, nung first time kong nakarating dito kahapon, sa van pa lang, nakikita ko na yung mga Chocolate Hills. Grabe na yung
True.
yung smile na na-elicit niyo sa akin. Wow!
What?
Elicit! Alam mo
Spell
yun? Kasi, alam mo yung feeling na yung Chocolate Hills na nakikita mo lang sa textbooks, ngayon nakikita mo na siya sa personal. Medyo masama lang panahon guys. Galing pa kami sa bahay ni Leia kung saan kami nanuluyan for a night. From Bilar, bumiyahe kami, sumakay kami ng bus, kami here, nilakad, paakyat, kaya medyo hulas
Yes,
na kami ngayon. Early morning.
Nag-trek po kami kaya hindi halata na
Hindi halata na.
pawising ka.
Pero sana, umaraw pa. Kasi ang ganda sana nito lalo.
I think dapat mag-sundown si
Gina.
Gina.
Tayo na lang mag-sundance.
Wow!
Total, ikaw yung nasa camera. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! At dahil maaga pa, nagpatuloy kami sa pagbisita sa ilan pang mga unique na attraction sa Bohol. Sunod naming pinuntahan ay ang Tarsier Sanctuary na may entrance fee ng 170 pesos. So guys, andito na kami ngayon sa Tarsier Sanctuary. Andito kami sa Tarsier Sanctuary. And kailangan medyo extra silent tayo dito kasi nasa stress sila. And hindi pwede silang ma-stress.
Cute kaayo sila, and then the way they look at you, like,
The way they tilt their head.
and then, basta,
Fragile ka ay sila.
so
Correct. What's your take with the Tarsier?
I'm taking them out.
I'm sad actually.
Sad for them.
Yeah.
Kaya gamay na lang sila.
Really hope.
Na magparami pa sila.
Oo. Sana mas dumami ang Tarsier kaysa sa mga korap na politiko, no?
Corrected by.
I did not say that.
So you don't need to. We will say it.
We will say it. Pagkatapos namin sa Tarsier Sanctuary, ilang minuto rin kaming naghantay ng bus nang biglang
My God, flexible ko. It took me like,
Wow!
wow, this is such an adventure.
Guys, we're very lucky at pinayagan kami ni Kuya na makihitch. Nakita ko lang siya sa daan habang hinihintay namin ng bus papunta sa Pilar Man-Made Forest. So nakasave na naman kami ngayon. Oo, diba? Nakakatuwa talaga. Dapat na talaga kapalan ng konti ang iyong mukha. Pero, sure enough, mababait ang mga tao dito sa baba.
I'm on a paper plane flying into your fire. Wearing faces and pretend I'm fine.
Okay, punta na dito. Ready? 1, 2,
Reach for the
3.
stars, but I cannot go higher. I'm always chasing things I cannot have, but you're the one thing I cannot give up on. I'll take another hit from you. I'll take another step. place.
Tila naging mabilis ang naging stay namin sa river cruise. Halos di namin namalayan ng oras sa dami ng nangyayari.
We can get this soon. Close your eyes and ride with me. We could park out on the edge of town. Heart so high, they coming down.
Mula Lubok, bumalik kami ng Bilar upang kunin ang mga gamit. At muling nagpatuloy sa biyahe kahit pagod.
Close your eyes and ride with me.
Nagpalipat-lipat rin kami ng sakay from bus to jeep. At lahat ng klase ng transportasyon marating lang ang next accommodation namin dito sa Panglao, ang Natura Vista. Cool. Here.
After what?
After more than 2 hours of
Travel. Pakikipagbarkadulan sa mga commuters. What else was that?
Pagdating pa lang namin sa accommodation, napansin ko na agad ang dagat sa di kalayuan na para bang tinatawag kami. Siyempre, what else could you expect?
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. With every field and rising sea, can hear the sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be where hope's not lost but found. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands. It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Happy birthday, Charm, James!
Or another
And we know the change will surely come. Baby, one more trip around the sun.
Kinabukasan,
Good morning! Happy birthday, James and Charmy!
ang sweet mo naman, parang hindi namin ito in-expect. Tila maagang nagising ang mga main characters para salubungin ang aming kaarawan. And our first order of business? A Jollibee meal by the sea.
Coffee cup, go.
Is that even a question, Charm?
Vlog takeover. This is a vlog takeover. We are currently taking our orders, like how we take this video takeover. Hello, Char. Matay malawang kita si James ang mga kababalagan din siyang camera.
Hi, James. We invade your space.
Taking over.
One of a kind.
Hello, James. Naka-video din, James. This is our second set meal for the morning with a side of coffee.
Our stay in Natura Vista came with free breakfast. At sino ba kami para tanggihan pa ito, di ba?
Hello mga lakwacheros! It is officially our second day here in Panglao, Bohol. And we are currently at Natura Vista. We are actually checking out already. And dahil sa pagod namin yesterday, because of a 2-hour commute, nakatulog ang mga people. Kaya before we go, we are going on a little room tour here at Natura Vista. We stayed here for a night. And it cost us 1,743. This is already a quad room, good for 4 people. Then the 4 people are here. It has this bedroom and that bedroom. Bed lang bed. So, meron silang closet. And the good thing about this is you have your own comfort room. Oh, and that's not it. They have an attic. Saan ba yun? Sa taas, syempre. Heto yun siya. Ay! Heto na ba? Hello, guys! Follow us! Oh, eto na yun. So, yan. It's a big place for 1,743 pesos. So, aside from that, we are going down a little bit because I'm taking you to their veranda. The veranda is over here. And ta-da! The veranda has 2 hammock. Hammock ba ang tawag dito? I think it is. The other one is over there. And they also have a little couch in here. Yan, di ba? Very sulit. You also have a view of your other lakwacheros and the pool. They also have a parking lot. So if you are up for a simple and a cozy place just for reset, this is the right place. Natura Vista in Panglao.
Pumunta naman kami sa isa pang resort bago kami tuluyang umalis dito sa Panglao. This time we're heading to Methi. Pero before that, we'll ride the tuk-tuk. Ilang minuto lang from Natura Vista ay ang Methi Resort and Spa na nireserve ko for a day use at least a month ahead.
For the day use, we'll be collecting 1,500 each po. So, total of 3,000.
Do you accept card?
Yes po, sir.
See?
Thank you.
You look radiant in black.
Radiant.
Correct. And you look
At nalapit.
you're like a walking sunflower.
Ginawa pa ng giant one.
And me? How do I look? Ay, dapat wala na.
Kalimabot yung maling ko atong the giant one.
Hindi na ito mag-friends. Wala may comment sa ako. How do I look?
Comment doon. No,
You look tired.
May sabi nagbayad ni Riva. Matang-tango na kumain.
Yes. Wala din sila lagot sa bayad.
So, mga lakotsero, andito na tayo ngayon sa Methi Resort. Isa to sa sikat na luxury resort dito sa Bohol. And honestly, dahil nga it's a luxury resort, hindi namin afford na magstay dito overnight. So what we did, nag-day use kami. With 1,500, pwede na kami pumasok, gamitin ng amenities, ang pool, ang dagat, may libreng towel, and it has consumable food worth 800 pesos. So, I think it's more practical kung gusto talaga namin ma-experience to compared sa iba pang resort dito sa Bohol na sobrang dami ng tao. Dito kasi medyo exclusive siya. It may be pricey pero ang ganda ng mga scene ng view. Ang ganda rin ng resort actually. And aside from that, katabi lang to ng Natura Vista, yung accommodation na tinuluyan namin kagabi. It's a stone throw away. Kaya it's a practical choice na doon kami magstay at dito mag-day use. So for now, dito naman kami mag-chill while we're celebrating our birthday ni Charm and ako.
Do you feel the way that I feel now? Done said, breeze, get closer to me now. Look at me, you got me really good. Ready for our rendezvous. I can't keep my hands off you. All alone inside my room. Nothing that I wouldn't do for you. Oh, for you, go for you. Do you feel the way that I feel now? Done said, breeze, get closer to me now.
Bago lisanin ng Panglao, dito muna kami sa Alon na napadpad para mag-dinner habang hinihintay si Fidio at ang aming official van service for the next 4 days.
Parang 7 days tayong mawawala.
Ang OA! 2 days ka lang, di ba? 10. 10. 'Pagkatapos mag-dinner, bumiyahe na kami papuntang Trinidad at pansamantalang nanuluyan sa bahay ng kuya ni Leia.
Patanong ni James kung may wifi. Tulog daw.
Pero naka 2 days na kami.
May 4 days pa.
May 4 days pa. The next morning was a demanding day for all of us. Dahil ito ang araw na aakyat kami ng Alicia Panoramic View.
Got myself into a world full of trouble. I reach for the stars, but I cannot go higher.
Hey guys, welcome back to our James channel. So we're just here, the drop-off area, and we're going to say hi, Alicia.
Matapos mag-register, inassign sa amin ang dalawang masisipag na guide na sina Jonah May at Rika. Sa trek na to, kasama rin namin ang kapatid ni Leia at ang asawa nito na si Ma'am Clarissa.
Mag-briefing pa ba yan?
Ha? Naka-brief naman ako!
Tungkol sa Panoramic Danis, huwag na mo dapat kaon ang basura ibalik pa doon uli. Kanya itong panginom mong tubig is ginagmera. Kanya, ang atong inipaway na to, itulid laman ng TL o sa mong kuan na sa mong lungkod og maadyo kaya mo na mga ko sa kuan na kujap. Mondo kami kabugad kay ingis og na mo kuya pa ninyo na imo balik isa na po yung palayon isa. Nya nagkatong ingon ni sir nga viewing deck di nakasakaan kay naguba. Kay katong pagkaon niya lagi nga naay natagak na to ni guba og tiwas kay gabok na pod. Wa na gi repair kay nagagawa ni matag budget.
Wala pa kayong budget niyan? Ay, sorry. May intrusive thoughts. Anong difficulty level ng trek? Gano'n siya kahirap?
Sa kalisod. Kung 10. Hindi ra nga naman murag na sa 10.
5? 4?
Take note, everyday nila yan. Oo, everyday.
Correct.
Sa ato, times to 8.
So, correct.
Correct. This is us before going to Alicia Panoramic View! Tara, let's go.
Nagdunggot siya.
Ano? Kaya?
Kayanin po.
Mga naong balik na ta? Tanaw mong daan ba? Nasugod na.
Nagsisimula pa lang kaming mag-trek, tila na-imagine na namin ang hirap na maaari naming pagdaanan. Ang aming tanging bitbit, isang tungkod at lakas ng loob. Kaya pa, Charles?
Parang ayoko na.
Mga lakotseros, andito na kami. Paakyat sa Alicia Panoramic View. At parang wala pa kami sa kalagitnaan ng trek. Grabe na yung hingal namin. Pero this is our way of celebrating life. Diba, Charms? This is a proof that you're indeed living. So, while we can, let's hike. Go, Charms!
Dapat hindi na ito ginagawa ng mga trentahe.
Ang aming motivation ay ang bawat hakbang na papalapit sa tuktok. Hanggang sa what a way to celebrate life, isn't it? Hiking over an hour just to reach the peak the day after our birthday was a beautiful reminder of how incredible life truly is. I mean, if this view isn't breathtaking, then I don't know what is. I'm just so glad we made it here. Because some views aren't just seen, they're earned. Ang amazing din ang timing ng pagpunta namin rito. Ilang araw lang ang nakakaraan, wala nang bumisita kami ng Bohol. Napabalita ang isang matinding wildfire sa Alicia Panoramic View na nagdulot ng pansamantalang pagsara nito.
This is us after our trek in Alicia Panoramic View.
Pagbalik sa bahay ni Ma'am Clarissa, pinaganda niya kami ng libreng tanghalian. At sino kami para humindi, diba?
Inadjudek ka pabalik. Hindi ba salamat kayo?
At bago matapos ang araw, lumipat naman kami sa isa pang pasyalan sa Mabini.
Walang dapat to lang ipasunod. Pasalamat tayo ka na may signage po.
At dito nag-camping ng buong gabi.
Why won't you say nothing at all? Just walk on by. Don't give me your love. Why won't you say nothing at all? Just walk on by. Don't give me your love. I'm tired. God knows I'm tired.
Kinabukasan, isa-isang nagising ang mga main characters ng trip na to. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Morning, Doctor. May morning rin ay isip pa kay Gis.
I was not your family, I was a stranger to you once, but you treated me like we had the same blood. I drove up to a cabin to Wisconsin in the woods. We shot fireworks and drank till we felt good, and the sky was clear in that summer air. You showed me so much kindness I do not understand. Who puts that kind of soul inside a man? And you always say the same thing, we believe in you. It was a little thing for us that we just wanted to do.
Kung gigising ka ba naman sa ganitong view, mukhang lahat ng pagod at problema mo mawawala. Para bang walang araw na mabigat? I'm so grateful na nakilala ko ang pamilya ni Leia who made this trip extra memorable and accessible. Sa konting oras na nakilala ko sila, alam kong mabubuti silang tao. I can't imagine getting from point A to point B nang nakabus tapos jeep. Oh no!
Ayoko na.
Isusumpa ko ni Charbs.
Ba't hindi na ito ginagawa ng mga trentahe?
Baka iniisip mo, ito na yung part na pa-ending na. Wait, cause there's more. This time, we're heading to an attraction where waterfalls meets rice terraces. Let's go!
Batay din yung kanto. Napakong pa din ko.
No? Hi!
Hi,
Kaya pa, sir?
You remind me of a love that never changes. Now's the time, now's the moment. Yeah, now I see. Turn my head round and make you smile back at me. Now's the time, now's the moment. Yeah, now I see. Tell you that there is nothing that's out of reach. We are the dreamers, the light keepers. We are This is our time. While you find your footsteps and I breathe again, there's a new connection that's as old as when love was all that mattered and you were young and free. I'm all to you as you are all to me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Turn my head round and make you smile back at me. Now's the time, now's the moment, yeah, now I see. Tell you that there is nothing that's out of reach. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time. We are the dreamers, the light keepers, we are one. This is our time, this is our time.
Before we officially left Bohol, we had to try one last thing first. Ang dagat sa Anda.
Bye-bye! Ma'am!
Sad to say, di na namin makakasama si na Ma'am Clarissa, ang pamilya nito at si Leia for some valid reasons.
Bye! Salamat kayo, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you talaga sa lahat, ma'am.
Maglag-lag mo, hari. Iwan naman. Talaga rin yun.
Okay lang. Pagdating sa accommodation, mga Lakacheras, we're finally on the last leg of our trip dito sa Bohol at andito tayo ngayon sa Anda. Specifically sa Bugnao CE. Kaya pasok tayo sa room namin. This room is actually good for 3 packs, 2 to 3 packs. And I booked this through Agoda for 6,210 pesos. So kung tatlo kayo, maghahati-hati is nasa mga 2,000, which includes breakfast, by the way. And ito na, kitang-kita pagpasok, dalawang bed, single beds, at meron tayong extra bed on the other side. Yan, feeling ko dyan ako mapupunta kasi andito na si Charms, nagtatago. Nagtatago siya. Dito si, huwag niyong isipin na si Charms Mabini yan. So, meron tayong nalagyan ng damit at saka safety box. Diyan. Pwede mo dito ilagay mga food kung gusto mong initin. Charot. Tapos, meron tayong kasamang mga tsinelas, may TV, may ref, telephone, working station, at of course, inverter, aircon. Dito naman ang CR. Di rin pwedeng magtagal si Fidio sa Anda dahil sa trabahong naghihintay sa kanya kinabukasan. Kaya sinulit namin ang natitirang oras naming 4. Pero bakit camping?
Because kanandugay na kwa naka-camping.
Oh, actually.
Like overnight.
And it's something na different, no? Parang hindi ko naisip na magbakasyon tas nag-camping ako sa ibang lugar.
Oh, exactly.
Di nagtagal, bumiyahe rin si Fidio pabalik ng Panglao. This leaves us, the 3 main characters who started it all.
It is all in our hands, it is all in our hands.
Looking back, I'm glad I shared this moment with them.
With every field and rising sea,
I almost couldn't believe all of this were happening.
hear the sounds of all, and with every change we'll always be where hope's not lost but found.
Growing up, lagi kong nababasa sa mga textbook ang tanyag na chocolate hills ng Bohol. Bata pa lang ako, alam kong gusto ko ring makita ito ng personal. Ilang beses akong nagtangka pero never itong natuloy. And now, it all made sense why. Fast forward to 2026, and it finally happened. Proof that timing is everything. And that sometimes, life quietly aligns everything just when it should. kasama ang 4 sa mga kaibigan ko na unang beses ring nagkakilala at nagsama-sama. Our goal for this trip was simple. Explore the whole of Bohol in 6 days in less than 10,000 pesos. Obviously, we went over the budget. Pero that's okay. Because the memories, the laughter, and the experiences we shared were far more valuable than anything we could have saved.
I was born in the river one day, watch me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. I was born in the mountain air, it shook me to its peaks. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the mountains had its say. Oh Lord, I won't come home to play. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. I was born in the earth by hand, plucked out like a fruit. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the seed becomes a tree. I was born in the ocean's depths, made my way up there. And oh Lord, I won't come home till I'm one with these old seas. And oh Lord, I won't come home to play. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home to play. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. 'Cause I was born in the river one day, wash me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. One day, wash me clean and cold. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend. Oh Lord, I won't come home till the river runs dry, my friend.
Sino yung tumawag sa'yo, Lay?
Yan yung bantay. Hindi, mag-remind mo na sila before today.
Ah, ano nga sabi mo kanina?
Nagbakasyon pa ako. May naningil ng utang.
Sabi niya, nagka-travel pa ako, may naniningil na.